Hi, I'm Mika Williams, and welcome to my DIY nail video. Hit like, hit subscribe, and share. Here I'm going to actually show you the 3 colors that I use to achieve this look. I am a beginner, I'm not a professional, but this is what I call my DIY nail colors. And this is an acrylic nail that I've done on myself using acrylic by, the product is, I think it's called either Modelones or Modelones. But here I'm using a color called Lavishly by Modelones. And you can order their stuff online. I'll give you the link in the description below. But I'm daubing another color called Poetry. It's a really pretty pink on top of the nail surface itself. So there's 3 colors that I'm using. This color that I'm using last is a color that I actually purchased from a beauty supply. And it's called HDP05 Electric Purple. And I'm actually putting these colors together on top of the nail that's already been painted and gelled with a gel topping, and so the surface is very slick. You see me using the nail art here in the picture where I'm actually, swiggling the nail brush around each color to merge it into another where it becomes like a marble look or a marble finish. And you want to take your time with that, and you want to make sure it's to your satisfaction. And this is the result. So I'm kind of trying to show you the nail, how it looks once I mix the 3 colors together and swerve them around. So you can always go back in with the brush if you see some clumps and lumps. You want to try to smooth it out as much as possible. And this is what I actually got once I did that. And where if you see that there's more color left and it's a little dominating, you can always go back in with the brush and smooth it out and mix it a little bit more. You can mix your colors as much as you want before they dry. So now I'm putting it in the UV light to cure it. The 2 light colors are gel colors, and the electric purple is regular nail polish. So I'm leaving it under the UV light for 30 seconds so it can cure it. And once it cure it under 30 seconds, then we can go ahead and move on to the next step. Always clean around the edges of your nail so it can look really nice and neat, so it doesn't keep the polish there, or you're gonna have to go back in and do extra work to clean it up. So this is what it looks like once it's been cured. So I'm actually using a top gel coat by Modelones or Modelones. And excuse me if I keep pronouncing the name incorrectly, but that's the top coat I'm going to use, which is a gel. And I'm going to go ahead and brush the entire nail so that it can cure all of the colors and dry quickly. So that's what you're about to see me do right now. So you want to try to even the gel out on top of the nail surface as much as possible so it runs into each other very smoothly. So when you put it under the UV light, it will dry without any lumps and clumps. I did practice this several times till I got it down pat. So now I am happy that I actually taught myself how to do this. And there's a couple of videos on YouTube from nail technicians, and they show you and walk you through step by step how to do certain designs for yourself. If you have a steady hand and patience, then this would be for you. But since, the COVID-19 is going on and a lot of nail shops are closed, this led a sister to, going back to her cosmetology days and happened to actually get back into my practice and do the thing for myself because, you want to be safe. So you're seeing me put the nail back under the UV light with the gel on top, and this is going to be for another 60 seconds to make sure that the gel dries. So that's what you're watching me do here. So this is a step-by-step. I'm showing you what I'm doing, and this is a do-it-yourself, DIY. And I'm really excited that I'm able to do this myself and achieve a professional looking nail design at a low cost to myself. Save yourself money, Yes. So we're getting close to the 60 seconds of it being cured, and then I'll show you the final results. And here we go. Boom. All right. Well, actually it was 61 seconds, but this is what it looks like. And I'm super excited that I was able to achieve that marble look, and you guys can see how it looks with the rest of the nails. So the electric purple is the base color for all my nails except for the nails that I use to make the design. And here, you can get a better look at it, a better angle, and you can see how you can see a hint of the electric pink inside of the swirl or the marble look of the nail. And I'm really super excited. So hey ladies, go ahead, click like, subscribe, leave a comment below, let me know any other tricks. Leave a comment, let me know how you think I did. I'm Miko Williams, and I want to say thank you for joining my DIY channel, and thank you for watching my DIY nail.